Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Edwin from easyCover and today I will show you the easyCover camera case for the 90D for the Canon. I will install the red version today. The opening is on the back side. There you go. And attach the lens. As you can see, all the functions are still accessible. You can open the SD card, you can access your battery, and obviously you can use your swivel screen. It comes in red, camouflage and black. That's it for today. If you have questions, you can always drop us a message via email or via the socials. Have a nice one.